This for the boys with the booming system. Top town AC with the coolest system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly couch. He a motherfucking drip drip, seller or the strip. When he make a drip drip, kiss him on a lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking hoe. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh. Yes, I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I match them dudes up. That coops up, trust the user.
Right? If you remember, we told the beep, the plateau pressure, and beep, or the positive end expiratory pressure if we are using. And the overall pressure is the mean airway pressure, okay? Now when it comes to the curve, this patient, Nurida, she chose to go for SIMV. SIMV is considered as assisted mode or assisted controlled mode, okay? So this patient, he's adjusted for a certain tidal volume, certain respiratory rate, and we will observe the airway pressures. These curves, two curves which we have chosen is one for the flow time curve, and the other one is the pressure time curve. The lower one is the pressure timed curve. We can see that the patient will reach a certain point. Here they are dividing both inspiration and expiration to different colors. In inspiration, you will find it the green part of the line. This represents the inspiration, and the yellow part of the line it represents the expiration. You can see it.
Yes.
So by the end, معلش, where is your pointer?
You get in the first row. That gray
So again, if we can see here, there is a certain point. This is the peak inspiratory pressure represented here. And because we added beep, we added plateau, so there is a plateau pressure also, like this one. So this is the plateau pressure, this one. All are considered the green because it's part of the inspiration. Then it goes to expiration. This is the part of expiration. If you can see, it extends till reaching the next inspiration. And all this time is considered what? Expiration. Till the next inspiration or the next wave, all this timing is considered expiration. Okay? Type. Now, this is the airway pressure. If we, because here the beep is 0, so that by the end of expiration, we can see that the line reaches the 0 line. But if we added beep, we will find that it's not coming to the 0 line. Instead, it will be reaching to the value of the beep, okay, which is equal to 6. So this is how we can interpret the curve, okay? Type. Any question till now? Manish, can we go for the next slide? Let us see what is. Of course, the mean airway pressure, it's not a certain thing that we can get from the curve. It's a value which is calculated and it will be given by the parameters of the ventilator. This is the mean pressure. It's a value which cannot be detected in the curve. As we mentioned before, the mean airway pressure is an average of the airway pressures all. So it's a value to be calculated and given as a figure only, but we cannot detect it on the curve. What is the problem? What is the alarm? We can reduce the tidal volume. Now it will come to the what we have mentioned before, very important relation, which is the relation between the peak flow, respiratory rate, tidal volume, and the IE ratio, or inspiratory expiratory ratio. You can use this chair. The screen is clear for all of you?
Yeah.
We can remove these things and we can discuss it directly here if you want. It's clear for you, you can see it easily? Right. This is a relationship which we have mentioned. If we adjusted the patient for respiratory rate of 15 per minute, it means if we divided the 60 seconds of the minute divided by this 15 respiratory rate, so each one breath will consume 4 seconds. This is what we have to know it first, okay? Then, if the patient is adjusted for a tidal volume of 1 liter, and we adjusted the peak flow, what is the peak flow? Earlier we were telling? The speed of delivering the breath. How much is the speed which you will deliver? So it comes in liter per minute or liter per second. If it is 60 liter per minute, it means how many liters per second? 1 liter. This is the speed which we can deliver the breath with. If it is 1 liter per second, and my tidal volume is 1 liter, so the inspiration will take 1 second, because the speed is 1 liter per second, and I wanted to deliver 1 liter, so it will take 1 second to be delivered. So 1 second is consumed for inspiration, and the remaining from the whole breath, which is 4 seconds, will be 3. This will be the expiratory time. It's clear? So IA ratio will be 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Okay? The same with the same example, but we reduced the peak flow. Instead of 60 liter per minute or 1 liter per second, it will be 30 liter per minute or half liter per second. But the same setting. Respiratory rate 15, tidal volume instead also 1 liter, and the breath time will be also 4 seconds. So the 1 liter, it will take how many seconds to be delivered? 2 seconds, because the speed is half liter per second, and the tidal volume is 1 liter, so it will consume 2 seconds, and the breath is 4 seconds, so the expiratory remaining will be 2 seconds. So the ratio will be 2 to 2 or 1 to 1. Okay? It's clear? So this is the relationship. Let us do the same here. The problem that we will not be able to put the same figures. You don't have bigger, what is your, you don't have bigger, can be accommodate 1 liter this one?
Need large back.
By the way, Vmax is also it's the same term as peak flow or flow rate. It's different names, but it's the same issue. The speed which you are delivering the breath with. And you can clearly know it by what is written, liter per minute, which is a speed. Liter per minute. Okay. It's the same setting as the first setting. Respiratory rate is adjusted to 15. Tidal volume, sorry, it should be 1 liter. I don't know whether it will accommodate or not.
شوف العي ريشه طلعت
نعم يا احمد.
سبيد 60
المشكله في الالارم شوف العي ريشه بس.
لا انا هحط بس عشان ما يعملش ابورتنج للسايكل، هنحط البيك ايروي بريشر اعلى. نريدها معلش. Now I increase بس the big alarm to avoid that it will abort the cycle. You know the alarm level. If I'm putting the peak pressure to certain value, and by any tidal volume reach to that value, it will not deliver the whole tidal volume. It will abort part of it to avoid exceeding that pressure, which is the limit for the alarm. Okay? Anyhow. So we adjusted the frequency on 15, respiratory rate, tidal volume 1 liter, peak flow or flow rate or Vmax, whatever the name, on 60 liter per minute, which is equal to 1 liter per second. So what is the expected IE ratio?